Hey guys, welcome to our channel Student Impulse, a unique channel to help job seekers, both freshers and experienced professionals. It also helps students to get to know what the skill set they have to improve during their studies, which lands them a dream job after their education. Dear friends, in today's video, we are going to discuss about latest job openings at Howden, located in Hosuru, Chennai, and Pune. We will discuss one by one what are the job openings available. First of all, you can see about the company. There will be a basic information about the company always in a home page, or if you go to the about us page about the company, see here about Hoda. If you go through one by one, you can see their mission and vision and their values, what is their responsibilities, like what they feel about their company and corporate social responsibility, what are the social activities they do, and latest news about the company, and finally the locations the company serve. You can see it is a big MNC company located in many countries. If you click on locations, you can see Africa, Americas, APAC, Asia, China, Europe, MESA, Russia, and FSU. Like it is located in many locations. A big MNC company, a great organization to work with. There is few openings in this organization. I'll be showing how to check the openings in this company and how to apply for the same. And even if they will be updated on regular basis for the any job openings, you can check anytime for the particular company. So it is located in India in a few of the locations. If you see in mapping also, you can see, just zoom in. You can see in India the company located in few of the cities: New Delhi, Mumbai, Bangalore, and Chennai, and it is located in Hosur as also. In map it is not showing, but it is located in Hosur as well. If we click on locations, it will show. Click on APAC. Still it is loading. You can check for Indian locations. If you click on this MESA, you will be getting the Indian locations. You can see Chennai, Gurgaon, Hosur, and Pune. You can see all these locations located. Okay, and it is located in Dubai as well. Here it is showing. In Pune, there is two locations the company located. So you can check here. So this is the thing, guys, and let us see what are the job openings available in few of the locations: Hosuru, Chennai, and Pune. Let us see, and you will be getting to know how to apply as well. If you mouse over on the company tab, you can see here about Hodan and careers. If you click on careers, you can see careers and vacancies page. You can click on anything. If you click on careers page also, you can redirect, or you can click on vacancies direct. I am just clicking on careers tab. If you click on this image, you will be getting like this. You can come down vacancies. You can see here. You can see here current vacancies. If you just mouse over and click on this, you will be redirected to the vacancies page. What are the vacancies available? You can see all over the world actually. If you have to filter the location wise, then you will get the vacancies available for particular location. See here, this is distance. This is no need to enter. You can see here country wise you can filter. They are given United States of America and China, like that, Germany. If you just click on more, you can see India. There is 6 vacancies available India at currently. Just click on India. Click this checkbox India. Now you can see there is a regions, like it is located in Maharashtra state and Tamil Nadu state. You can see there is 3 vacancies in Tamil Nadu and 3 vacancies in Maharashtra state. If you want to see location wise, you can come here, and there is 6 results for the filter India, and you can filter region wise as well. Now I am showing all the vacancies available all over India. See, they just posted yesterday, and you can see they just posted 2 days ago. Like that, there will be a job openings keep on updated on this page. You can check anytime. If you feel you are suitable for any job, you can apply through this website only. You just if you want to read about more about the job description details, qualification details, you can just click on the job role, anything. Suppose if you want to check for IT office administrator, what are the job description, just click on this. Just click on. It will be redirected to the another page. Here you can see clear information. What is the small description about the company working with us, what they offer, and what is the about greatness about the company. You can see here, and your responsibilities for this job role they provided here, everything, what is the experience required, what will be the qualification details, everything here you can see. And you can apply through the directly clicking on apply, or you can apply through seek. If you have CEK social media channel, you can apply through that. And most of the employees use LinkedIn, you can apply through LinkedIn social media page as well. And if you have LinkedIn, it is better to apply through LinkedIn only. You no need to fill anything details, it will be almost everything, it will be taken automatically. If you do not have a LinkedIn account, please create now itself. It will be a great advantages for you to find a job. And most of the companies ask to sign in with LinkedIn directly, they will find easily about you. And you couldn't include each and everything in resume, so it will be great advantages for you. And it will help the company as well to get to know more information about you and about your qualification, skill set, experience, everything. You can just fill in LinkedIn account, and you can maintain it very officially, professionally. If you click on apply, you can see like this, it will be asking. Initially you will be not having the account, so you have to create the account. Just click on create the account. See, it is asking your email ID and your password, and same password you have to enter here, and you can just click on I consent. So you can click on the create account, and after that you can follow the procedure as well. Here will be asked for email address, password, and verify the same password, and you have to check this box. So I am just showing you example. We will take our official YouTube channel email ID. I will be not creating an account. I'm just showing to you. Student Impulse at gmail.com, and password I am giving. Okay, just click on this box, then create account. Here in this case, see here, the password must include an uppercase character and alphabetic character and numeric character. Like this, they given some instructions you have to read. Minimum of 8 characters should be there, and there should be one of the characters should be uppercase, one of the characters should be alphabetic, one of the characters should be numeric. Like this, they given a special instructions to create a password. This will be a more secured, for that reason only they give sometimes like this. So you just need to give a password as per the instructions provided. So I have not given as per the instructions just before, so this error is popping up. I am just giving the new password now. Now the error will be going. Let us see. Then I will be clicking on create account. See, now we will be redirected to the another page, and you can see here I have selected IT office administrator, so it is showing here the job role. And quick apply, my information, my experience, and review. You have to fill one by one. You can just attach your CV or resume directly, and you can submit the application. You can drop the file here, or you can just select this. You can just click on this and you can select the resume. It is very easy, guys. It is very easy. And you can also see here, it is showing after giving the email id. It is showing studentimpulse@gmail.com. Okay, I will be just coming back to the career space. Let us see what are the job openings available, other job openings. So this is this location, this job location is available in Hosur. IT office administrator is available in Hosur location, and this is posted yesterday only, and it is a fresh job. And you can see general manager, it is available, and again I'll be opening another page. And there is one more job opening, senior manager service Pune, and regional sales manager aftermarket sales compressor Pune location. 3 days ago, this is 2 days ago. So all are fresh job openings, guys, and they will be updating on their official website usually whenever they have openings for freshers, anyone, and experienced people, and any location. See here, general manager oil gas vertical, they have openings for Chennai location and Pune location and Hosur location as well. Same procedure. There is no difference at all. You can apply through LinkedIn or SEK, or you can apply directly on this website clicking on apply button. Okay. Then there is a job opening for senior manager Pune location, and there is IT service delivery administrator Hosuru location, and one more manager senior manager for Chennai location. So these are all job openings available for Hosuru, Chennai and Pune locations. If you face any problem, if you struck any in this process, let me know in comments. I will be replying for that. I will be helping you throughout the process. Do not worry about anything. Okay, then that's it in this video, guys. I'll be coming up with more updated job openings soon in all over Chennai, Hosur, or Pune location, any location, all over Indian major cities and entire Tamil Nadu, Maharashtra major cities as well. Stay tuned and check out other job openings as well in our channel. I will be keep on updated, and I will try to give you 100% genuine information, and as early as possible I will try to upload new job opening videos. Please subscribe and press the bell icon to encourage me to do more job openings videos, and and share with our friends and family members as well, and stay tuned to our channel. Thank you so much for watching the video, guys. Have a great day.